Our adventurers take advantage of their arrival in Wuyishan to rest a little. They settle on a pontoon and see in the distance a young boy sailing in their direction. It's Augustin. Come on up, friends. I will take you to the river of the night bands.
Tao,
Asked his sister.
have you noticed that each time the book opens, a different color appears? A color of the rainbow, red in Beijing, indigo in Hangzhou.
Tao and Augustin smiled and hurriedly opened the book. Of course, you guessed it. A blue cloud forms, suggesting the recipe to follow. Blueberry jiaozi. The children get situated to cook on the boat. Unexpectedly, they hear soft music and see a splendid peacock.
Children, come with me to the Lake of Thousand Islands.
The bird whispers.
You will find your last clue there.
Thank you, Augustine. See you soon.
You just listened to the 6th episode of The Mystery of the Yellow Dragon. See you soon for the rest of the adventures of Tao and Capucine. In the meantime, I invite you to discover the videos of the recipes. If you enjoyed the story, do not hesitate to like the video, to talk about it around you, and to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media, and if you want to get our book, go to amoureuse d'une tarte au citron.com. See you!